All right, the next section, Chapter 8, page 207 to 208. Once again, I can't emphasize enough that I love for you, if you've not read any other chapter, I hope you have, but if you've not read any other chapter, I'd love for you to be reading this particular Chapter 8. The next section's on bullying that I want to talk about. 28% of students between 12 and 18 years old report being bullied at school in 2008 and 2009. I wonder if that number has come up or gone down since then. Bullying takes the form of belittling weaker students, calling them names, harassing or threatening them. 3 in 10 adolescents report being a bully, being the victim of bullying, or both. 3 in 10. Unbelievable. Bullies are at increased risk for substance abuse, poor academic performance, and violence in later life. So the quicker we can get this issue taken care of when they're younger, the better off it is for the students. Bullying also occurs electronically via the internet and cell phone. In cyberbullying, the victim does not always know the aggressor as he or she would with bullying on the school grounds, or they may know them. Because in the cyberbullying world, anybody's got fair shot at that. Educators cannot afford to ignore the bullying that occurs in school. Don't tell the students to suck it up and get out there or whatever. You're going to have to deal with and extinguish that behavior. You cannot allow bullies in your room and outside the room, nowhere on the school ground. Modeling appropriate behavior with students by avoiding social references, innuendos, and jokes is an important step, so don't be a part of that. Don't be a bully yourself. Model the behavior you want your students to have. You should intervene when you directly witness harassment and bullying and report it to the appropriate school official immediately, now, not tomorrow, not one more chance, but get it done. Bullying is a terrible part of our society. We hear more often as of late of students killing themselves over being bullied, and they feel like the only way out. They're told they're of no help to society. They're a waste of time and energy, and they think the best thing they could do is just kill themselves and be done with it. So please don't let bullying get out of control. Make sure that, as you've heard me say so many times in here, form that family, that bond in a family. Take care of each other. Remember the book I read, Everything I Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. When in traffic, hold hands. We're all for one and one for all, and you need to set that kind of atmosphere up in your class and then hope that overflows into the rest of the building. Do not let bullying go undetected or not taken care of and not dealt with.